Welcome my dear students. Let's continue. Now we are still on geometrical construction. Let's look at this example. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. That is, line AB is parallel to DC. Line AB is 4 cm, AD is 5 cm, and DC is 7 cm. And angle ADC is 105 degrees. Measure the diagonal. Now, first of all, we are going to draw line DC. 6 is the longest part. So we are going to draw line DC, which is 7 cm. So you do it as I do it. Practice it as I'm doing it so that you'll be able to get it proper. So we are going to draw line DC, which is 7 cm first. So I'm drawing line DC, 7 cm. So this is my 7 cm. This is line DC. This is line DC, which is 7 cm. Now, line AB is 4 cm. And we are told that line AB should be parallel to line DC. So if AB is up here, so since we don't know, we need a parallel line, and we are told that what line AD is 5 cm, and that means our A will be on top of D. So you use your ruler, you measure line 5 cm using your compass and your ruler, 5 cm on your ruler. So like this, put your pin on 0 and you do it up to 5. When you measure 5 cm, you will now use it to put it at the end of the line here to strike an arc here, 5 cm. So all this is 5 cm. Anywhere our A will be at this side. Then they say angle ADC is 105 degrees. Angle ADC is 105 degrees. So that means on this D here, ADC. So on this D, we are going to measure angle 105 degrees. How are we going to measure angle 105 degrees? Normally, that angle should face this side. So first of all, we are going to measure angle 90. When you measure angle 90, you construct angle 90 degrees. Then you construct angle 120 degrees. You will now bisect, between 90 and 120 is 30. Bisect that angle, which is 30. Join it to 90. When you bisect 30, it give us for 15. We join it to 90 to make it 105. So look at the procedure I'm going to use. I want to first of all construct angle 90 degrees. Pick your compass. The end of this D here, you are going to construct your semicircle. You follow the process of constructing angle 90. So at the point of intersection here, you strike the arc without extending your compass. So this one normally should give us 60. At this point of intersection again, you strike another arc. This angle, if measure it, that should give us normally 120. So you are now going to bisect these two. So at the point here, you strike an arc here. We want to construct angle 90. Then at this point also, you strike another arc. So you now construct your angle 90 degrees. we are constructing angle 90 first. So this is 90. So you realize that if this point gives us 90, then between this angle and this angle should be 30. So it is this 30 we are going to bisect, that is divided into 2 to give us 15, that will join to this 90 to make it 105. So that's what we are going to do now. So we are going to put our compass at this point of intersection of this 90. You strike an arc up here. At this other point of intersection also, you strike another arc. So the point of intersection here, you join it to the center of the, so that end of P, of D. So till you get to the line you have drawn here. So this whole angle here will give you angle 105 degrees. So it should give you angle 105 degrees. So realize that what they said, our AB is 4 centimeter. So if you measure from this point to our AD is 5 centimeter. From this point to this point should give us 5. So to this curve, so that means where this curve is joined is meeting it here is what we really needed. So that is what this one will be our A. Now we now need to draw our a parallel line to this angle A. To be able to measure, we need to draw AB. Our AB should give us what? Our AB should be 4 centimeter. Our AB should be 4 centimeter. Now, we don't know where 4 centimeter should be. To make it easier, we are told here that AB and DC are parallel lines. To draw parallel lines, now since we are told that this one should be 5 centimeter, our AB is 4 centimeter. Let's first of all measure 4 centimeter. On your ruler, use your compass, start from 0 to this. So that means this is 4 centimeter here. So you are going to place it on A here to measure 4 centimeter. The point of intersection here, use it to strike an arc. So this gives me my 4 centimeter. Here, you come here also. I want to draw a parallel line. You are going to come to the point of intersection here also. You draw this also should give me 4 centimeter. Now you realize that this line is 5 centimeter. So I'm going to measure 5 centimeter, put the pin of at this point 0 and read this is 5. This is 5 centimeter. So that means that at this point of intersection, so normally this is before I've marked 4 centimeter here. I'm just trying to get a parallel line to this line. So that is why I'm now trying to draw 5 centimeter. So the point of intersection here, you will now join it to this point here. So that means this line will give us a parallel line to this line here. So the point of intersection there, I will join it together with A to meet at A. Then, so you realize that this line will give me 4 centimeter. Then we are told it's going to be a quadrilateral. That means a 4-sided plane figure. So I will now join this to this other's end. So this now give me line B. So if you measure this line here, is going to give us 4 centimeter. Fine. Now we are now told to measure the diagonal. Measure the diagonal. So in this case, we need to measure the two diagonals because the question didn't specify if these are the diagonals AC and BC. So since the question didn't specify which of the diagonal we need to measure, we are going to measure the two diagonals. We are going to measure AC and BC. So to measure AC, I'll place the pin of the compass at one point here, the end of this C. I extend it till I get to A. At that point of A, so you will now pick your ruler. You pick your ruler, let your pin be at that. So that means here I'm having like 9.7 centimeter. I have like 9.7 centimeter for my AC. Then for my BD, so the pin at P at D, then adjust the compass till it gets to B at this point of P. You can see, or you can place your ruler directly on it, you will still get it. So you place the pin at 0. So here I'm having 5.5 centimeter. So I'm 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. So for your own personal practice, number 1, use ruler and compasses to construct the parallelogram PQRS, in which QR equals 5 centimeter, RS equals 11 centimeter, and QRS equals 135 degrees. B. Measure the length of the shorter diagonal of PQRS. So here you are told to measure the shorter diagonal. The question is specific for the number 1. Number 2, A. Construct quadrilateral ABCD such that AB equals 5 centimeter, BD equals DC equals 8 centimeter. So line BD and DC, they are the same. They each has a length of 8 centimeter. Then angle ABD is 30 degrees and angle BCD is 45 degrees. Measure the diagonal EC. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.